Cast welding is the process of welding the plate lugs plate to the busbar and casting the busbar and pole together. It is to invade the clean plate lug into the cavity of mold filled with liquid lead alloy, heated by conduction from the molten liquid lead alloy, so that the surface temperature of the plate lug rises rapidly to the melting temperature, and in a very short time the surface of the plate lug partially melts and enters the liquid aluminium alloy, with the cooling of the casting and welding mold. The lead alloy solidifies rapidly and forms one with the plate lug. It is very important on the degree of melting on the surface of plate lugs. If the surface melts less, the weld will not hold, but if the surface melts more, the plate lugs may all melt off and cannot be welded.